let's unbox this package from Dare to Dream. So whilst Dare to Dream is a wedding accessory store, they have pieces that can fit every occasion. Let's get into the first item. So of course we have the Geraldine turbans with the pearl detailing. There's 2 in the box. This is the black version. It's stretchy, so it really does not matter the hairstyle you wear. You can put this turban on your head, braids, updo, low ponies. There's also a burgundy version. No, I really prefer this color over the black, just because I can tell when it gets into the sun it's gonna shine beautifully. Now next up is the Renina pearl stud earrings. Now these earrings are so dainty, and again, these do not have to be worn at weddings. They can be worn with your normal pearl outfit, and this Candice diamond earring can also go with your green outfits. Now right here is the starfish anklet, which is probably my favorite piece in the box. And last but not least, we have the cutest little brooch. Now don't forget to check them out at Dare to Dream for all your wedding accessories and more.